Hi everyone, I'm back again for another video tutorial, and for today, I'll be teaching you how to change your Instagram password. Alright, let's start. So the first thing we need to do is, as usual, log into our account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile photo that's located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will direct you over to the profile page. Next is tap on what I call the hamburger icon. That's the three lines on the upper right corner of the page. It will bring up this pop-up, and the next thing we're going to do is to tap on Settings. Once we're on the Settings page, tap on Security, and then on Password. Instagram will prompt you to give your current password and to also provide your new password twice. One moment while I enter my password. There you have it. You just changed your password for your Instagram account. For more video tutorials like this, click on that subscribe button or at the link that appears on the screen. Have an awesome day!